So we will go to our dentist today and we will eat first. Magpapabunot kami ng ngipin. Tapos mag-polish ako sa aking veneers. It's been how many months? I guess 7 months since I was able to have my veneers polishing. So, ngayon, babalik ako sa aking dentist para i-polish siya. Tapos, itong ngipin na nasira, iaayos rin ito. Sino ang binunutan ng ngipin? 3 tatlong ngipin. Say hi. Hi, Ma. Hi. Hi guys, good evening. So I just got home from the dental clinic. So I had my veneers polishing. It's been, I guess, 8 months already since the last time that I had my veneers polished. Tapos, it's whiter compared months ago na hindi ako nakapag-polish. Tapos, kumakain ako ng mga foods na makaka-stain ng veneers. Tapos, yung ngipin ko dito, nabasag siya. Ito. Kaya, napa-repair ko na rin. I would like to say thank you to Ibon Dental Clinic. I will put the link of their Facebook page below because of my smooth transaction with them and napakagandang work. Ever since na magpapa-check up ako ng aking ngipin or magpapagawa ng ngipin, maganda talaga yung work nila. Kaya dun talaga ako magpapa-check up. So you guys, check them out if you also want to have a more beautiful and brighter smile. Just like mine. Also, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi yung appointment ng mga pasyente, yung appointment nila is fully booked. So, after ng isang pasyente, may next schedule. So, nahihiya rin ako mag-vlog. Kaya, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Tapos, kanina, my boyfriend also had his tooth extraction. 3 ngipin yung binunot sa kanya. So, root fragment rin naman. So, okay lang na ibunot yung 3 ngipin. Na-amaze rin ako sa clinic, Ibon Dental Clinic, kasi maganda talaga yung mga safety measures na ginagawa nila sa clinic. So, hindi marami yung pinapapasok nila. Limited lang. Parang 4 persons lang yung pinapasok nila sa lobby. So, 4 to 5 persons. Tapos, yung kabilang room, dun yung place na ginagawa yung mga procedures. Tapos, before you enter the clinic, merong parang disinfectant na parang ano, yung ma-disinfect yung whole body ng mga papasok. So, kanina, dapat ipapabunot yung wisdom tooth ko, pero na-late kasi kami ng dating. So, nakulangan sa oras. Tapos, almost 4 PM na. So, low na yung energy ng isang tao. Tsaka, nag-worry yung dentist ko na hindi ko makaya yung wisdom tooth extraction. And, okay naman kasi natatakot rin ako kanina, pero hindi gaanong takot kasi gusto ko na rin siyang ipapabunot para hindi na siya ulit sasakit. So, gusto ko na talagang ipapabunot siya. So, soon na lang, maybe next week, mag-leave muna ako sa aking work para ipapabunot na siya. After removing my makeup, I just wash my face, apply toner, and night cream. Sometimes, nakakalimutan ko nang mag-wash ng face, lalo na kung pagod na pagod yung eyes ko. So, I just remove my makeup with a makeup remover, tapos sleep. So, minsan, hindi yan maganda. Kasi meron pa yung dirt na nandyan sa mukha mo. Kaya it's good to double cleanse. So, I'll end this vlog now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please click like, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my next video. Thank you until our next vlog. Bye! Mwah.